A journey given something new, guided by a light so bright, walking in a robe of white. Sacred vows and heartfelt prayers lifted in the chapel's air. Voices rise in blessed tune, standing there a holy boon, calling of the heart divine embrace, standing in this sacred space. Hands that heal and words that guide with love and faith, we all abide. Paths entwined by heaven's flow, seeds of grace that you now sow. In the garden of the soul, a shepherd's role to make us whole. Tears of joy and smiles wide, with the angels by your side, walking forth in God's own plan, in faith forever. Here you stand. Morning's light through stained glass, as the seasons slowly pass. In your eyes, a steady flame, holding high the holy